Hey guys, so in this video I'll be talking about these batteries right here. I just bought it from Costco maybe about 3 days ago. The reason why I bought this battery is because I think they have a $10 off. It's supposed to be like $29.99, and with $10 off come out to be like $19.99. And UPS just dropped it off as we speak. And it comes in a total of 16 AA's batteries. And like I mentioned, the reason I bought it is because it was made in Japan. And I read the reviews and it's really good. My son, he likes, his toys use a lot of batteries, and I'm keeping buying batteries from Office Depot, like the Duracell one. And it just eat up like so fast, you know? So I'm just thinking, I might as well just get something like, rechargeable, and hopefully it will last a little bit longer. I think these, it says, I don't know, maybe 400 charges? Oh, I think so, something like that. I'm not really sure, I don't remember exactly, but I want to give it a shot. At the same time, I need a charger, so I went online to Amazon, and I bought this one. I think this one is $14.99. And I'm not sure if the battery inside is made in Japan or not, but the charger, which is not. The charger is made in China. So let me open up the charger and see if the batteries inside is the same ones from Costco. All right, so I just opened up the Amazon and also the one from Costco. So I don't know if you guys can notice and can tell the difference, which one is from Amazon and which one is from Costco. Okay, so let me show you this one. $2,300 milliamp, and it has some kind of engravings of the numbers right here. Okay. This one right here, it's from Costco. It's made in Japan. Okay, and let's pick up the one from Amazon. This is the one from Amazon. They're almost identical, but this one's made in China. And this one is 2,000 milliamp, so 300 less. And this one, the engraving, it's not in the middle. It's over here, this end. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, this is the top part. The bottom. As you can see, the wrapping, it's not as good, it's not as detailed as the one from Costco. So let me pull it together. You can see it. The one on the right hand side is from Costco. The one on the left hand side is from Amazon. So again, more amp power. Looks wise, looks very nice, feels very nice. It's just the details that they put into making this battery. It's a lot better. Okay, I don't know if it has to be the same company, but I guess their quality control from different country is different. It's not the same. So in Japan, I guess the expectation, their quality control is more strict, or, a lot better. So that's why we pay more for stuff that is made in Japan rather than in China. So the size-wise is the same, but the capacity is like, for the one from Japan is 300 more. So, all right guys, so all in all, $14.99 for the charger and 4 batteries. Costco right now, they still have it on sale. 16 batteries for $29.99 plus $10 discount once you add it to the cart, but you got to be a member. So total would be about $34, $35, and that's what you're getting. And hopefully I'll be able to use this for a while for my son. All right. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave the comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.